This is my go-to salmon salad with ponzu dill dressing. It's so citrusy and delicious. I love a good pan-fried salmon. The only way that I eat salmon, to be honest, I don't know, I just can't take a baked or poached or any type of other salmon except for pan-fried on a bed of lettuce with tomatoes and cucumbers, sprouts. You know, I didn't know it was fancy until I put sprouts on it. I was like, oh snap, eating a little bit of fancy grass in my salad. You know, salads are basically a fancy grass. Oh my god, I'm so done with myself. Okay, bye.